Hey y'all, welcome to the kitchen. Today I'm going to be roasting pecans. And whenever a recipe calls for nuts, I always make sure that I've roasted them before adding them to the batter. They just bring so much more flavor to the recipe, the finished recipe, if the nuts have been toasted. They're so much more flavorful and it's very easy to do. Here's how I do it. You want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. I have a baking pan that's been lined with a sheet of parchment, and I've spread the nuts out so that they form like a single layer. I'm going to go ahead now and place these in the oven, and I'll check after about 5 minutes. Nuts burn very quickly, so you want to make sure you keep an eye on them. All right, so here they're going to the oven. All right, the nuts have been in for about 5 minutes. And what we're looking for is for them to be lightly toasted, and there will be just this amazing smell. So I'm going to just kind of flip them over so that we get both sides equally done. There we go. I'm just going to spread them out again. And then I'm going to put them back in the oven, again at 350, and just let them bake for maybe about 3 minutes more, and check on them at that 3-minute mark. So put them back in the oven. The nuts are out of the oven. They've been baking for about 8 minutes. They smell amazing, and I'm going to let them just cool completely in the baking sheet. And after they've cooled, completely cooled, I'll go ahead and put them in a Ziploc bag, label them, date them, and then stick them in the freezer. And that way, when I'm baking a cake or cookies that call for nuts, they'll already be toasted. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a great day.